All right, we're Wednesday, August 24th. Spencer's in today. And may have finished all the painting, looks like. So here is the dark brown in the adjusting area. You can see the trim on the walls turned out very nice. Nice clean line down the hallway. Definitely a different vibe in here than there is on the other areas. Almost feels like a completely different space. And it's pretty hard to see, but we got some paint in the bathroom, massage room. And walking back out, again, there's that nice clean line. And there we are. Stay tuned.